Oil is losing ground as demand concerns outweigh U.S. inventories data. The average weighted US dollar versus the ruble exchange rate has increased. The Russian ruble is expected to resist external pressure. Oil prices fell on Thursday amid concerns over a slowing economic recovery in the United States caused by the coronavirus pandemic. Several European countries announced new travel restrictions amid the COVID-19 second wave in Europe. Brent crude futures dropped by 0.81% to $41.43 per barrel, while WTI crude futures declined by 0.93% to $39.56 per barrel. Looking back, oil surged on Wednesday as data released by the U.S. Energy Information Administration showed that crude inventories in the country fell by 1.6 million barrels in a week. Today, however, oil is losing ground. Analysts suggest that the current decline in the price of oil is connected with the release of the IHS Markit PMI report. According to the survey, U.S. services business activity fell to 54.6 in September from 55 in the previous month. Meanwhile, there are concerns about the recovery of oil exports from Libya. It's not clear how quickly the country will be able to increase production. On Thursday, Iraqi oil minister said that he was waiting for an agreement with OPEC+, which would help the country to boost oil exports. The average weighted dollar-ruble exchange rate increased and amounted to 77.1781 during trading on Moscow exchange. Notably, the Russian ruble is coping with pressure from the external markets on Thursday. It reached an important mark of 77 rubles per dollar amid a stronger greenback and increased geopolitical risks after the inauguration of Alexander Lukashenko in Belarus. According to experts' estimates, the dollar-ruble pair is likely to rise to the level of 77.20, where there's a strong resistance line. However, taking into account the dynamic of similar currencies, it is obvious that even at the current values, the ruble is trying to resist the weakening. Thus, as soon as the external conditions are favorable, the ruble will strengthen even more rapidly. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you back soon.